In this video, we're getting real about how to find leads and estimate jobs like a pro, so you can keep that workflow steady and your business buzzing. Alright, let's get down to it. Finding leads ain't just about waiting for the phone to ring or hoping someone stumbles on your website. You gotta be out there hustling, whether that's networking with other pros, hitting up social media with some smart posts, or even knocking on doors in your local area. Use online platforms like bighomeprojects.com or industry-specific lead sites where homeowners are actively searching for help. It's like having a steady stream of potential clients right at your fingertips. When you do get a lead, make sure you follow up fast. No one likes waiting around when they're ready to get started. For estimating jobs, don't just guess. Take the time to measure everything carefully, factor in labor, materials, permits, and a little cushion for unexpected stuff. Use apps or software designed for estimates to keep things accurate and professional. This builds trust and helps you avoid losing money. Always ask detailed questions when talking to a client so you know exactly what they want and can tailor your estimate accordingly. And don't forget to keep your estimates clear and easy to understand. No one wants to feel like they need a translator for your numbers. One of the biggest mistakes I see when people are trying to find leads and estimate jobs is either underpricing or overpricing because they're not factoring all costs or market rates properly. The fix here is to spend more time researching and use tools that help break down costs by line item. Another common issue is poor follow-up. Leads go cold if you don't respond quickly or stay in touch, so set reminders or use CRM tools to keep from dropping the ball. Lastly, some folks don't clarify the job scope before estimating, leading to surprises later on that mess up budgets and timelines. Always get everything in writing and confirm with the client before you finalize your numbers. bighomeprojects.com is seriously clutch if you're a homeowner looking for trusted local contractors because it connects you with vetted pros who know their stuff and have solid reviews. And if you're a contractor, it's a sweet way to find legit jobs without wasting time chasing random leads. You get matched with people who actually need what you offer, making the whole process way smoother.